Shout out mga idol, in our Philippine history, there are three classifications of crocodiles in our country. Number three, the sea crocodile. Number two, the river crocodile. And the most dangerous number one is the crocodile that there is a black hair on his head walking around the streets and living along the corner. That is the most greedy crocodile in our country. The crocodile that there is a black head or a black hair on his head. This portion is brought to you